Well, on the screen here you can see the basic structure of the if test. I've included here an else to the if. You may not always see this. Following the if, you can see there is a pair of brackets, and between them the words test condition, and we'll be looking at these test conditions in a moment. The statements that follow the if test condition and the ones that follow the else condition are bound by the curly brackets. They belong to that particular outcome, whether it's true or false. Let's take a look at some of those conditions though. To begin with, we have two types of operator. You have the relational operators and the logical operators. These can be combined. For instance, a test condition may be asking a question, is A equal to B? And if it is, then it's true, and the statements following the if test condition will be carried out. If they're false, then it will be the else statements that are processed. And we have the others here. A is not equal to B, A is less than B, greater than B, less than equal to B, or greater than equal to B. And if there are more, then we're going to connect them together with some logical operators. So we can use the logical and, the logical or not. Okay, let's move on and look at an example. Okay, so we're going to create a new project, and this will be a console application which I'll name if else. Source is fine. Okay, and you can see I've pasted the code in that we're going to use. You can see here I've initialized a variable called salary as an integer of 25,001, and then I have an if test which says if salary is greater than 25,000. Now clearly ours is by 1, and so therefore the statement console.writeLine would you like an investment plan will execute. If it were not to be true, then the statement following the else would execute, please contact for financial services. Whichever one of these test conditions proves to be true, however, it will display the message have a nice day. So let's see that working. We'll start by building. That's now built okay, so we click on start, and there you are. That's the outcome we expected to see. Would you like an investment plan? Have a nice day. Enter to cancel. Well, by way of summary, I thought it would be useful for everyone to see these bullet points regarding the if statement in C#. I shan't talk you through them. You can read them for yourselves and maybe just take a screenshot. I think this is a good time for you now to go back and practice with the if statement, change some conditions, change some values, and see the differences that appear. Do be sure to get in touch and leave us some feedback, some comments, and some results of your work. This is C# Go saying give it a go. Bye for now.